Hello, today I'm going to talk about phonics and the 42 sounds of English. Maybe you know some, maybe you don't, but here on this page is 42 sounds of English. And if you can do these sounds, it will help reading. So let's have a look. Now, I'm little today, I'm in a small box, so we can look at the letters, and I've got my little red dot here to help me. So let's see. I'm going to read through all of these, and you can make the same sounds and try to remember what the sounds are. Well, that's for you. Let's have a go. First one, that's an S. Can you see there? S, but it sounds like a snake. Right? Next one is an A, but sounds like like an ant. Next one, T, but it sounds like like tennis. Next one, I, sounds like E. Okay, next one, P, sounds like, imagine here's my birthday cake. I'm blowing the candles. Next one is an N, but it sounds like an airplane. Okay, that's the first 6. Let's do the next 6. This is CK. Sounds like okay, next one is an E. Sounds like like an egg. Next one, H. When you're running, like that. Okay, next one is an R, which imagine as a dog, and you give the dog a bone or a rag. See, my teeth are closed together. Practice. That's an R. Next, an M is delicious. Next one is a D. Imagine drumming. Okay. Next one. Okay, so that's 6 more, so that's 12. Okay, next one is a G. And it sounds like okay. Next one is a O, and it sounds like oh, like on, off. Oh, oh, oh. Turn on, turn off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, next one, U, an umbrella. Okay, next one, L, imagine eating an ice cream. La, 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 la. My tongue is touching the top of my teeth. La, 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 la. Difficult. Practice. Next one, F, and it sounds like a balloon going. It's the air coming out. Okay. Okay, next one, B. Let's play baseball. B, 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 b. My baseball cap. B, b. Oh no, it's American football. Anyway, b, b, b. Okay. Very good. Okay, so that's 6, 12, 18. Okay, next one. We get 2 letters together. When AI together, it's usually A, like made, faith, A. So the way to remember it is you can't hear what, A. Okay. Next one is J, like jelly, jelly. Okay. Next one is OA, which is oh yeah, oh I forgot. Oh dear. Oh, like boat. Throat, my throat. Oh. Okay, next one. IE is I, like aye, Captain. Aye, like lie down, tie your shoelaces. There are many. Pie, eat some pie. Aye. Okay. Now E, we've got E and or. they're next to each other. If we do those together, you got E-R as a donkey. E-R. There's an E and an O. So E, feet, meat. There are many, but anyway, E. Okay. Okay, next one. OR is or. E-or, like for. Okay. We'll practice some more of these. Some more. Sorry, I'm going to move. Oof. Let's have a look. I'll move this down here. Okay. Now, okay, we're halfway through. Let's see. Next one, we've got a Z or a Z. In America, they say Z. You don't say Z. But it sounds like so zebra, zoom, zoom lesson. Okay. Right, next one. W is wah, like a dog. Wah. NG is a imagine you're lifting heavy weight. So it's very useful for like sing, bring. You use it a lot in English. Okay, and the next one is a V. Now that's a V, not a B. Japanese sometimes say B. No. V. So it's difficult. But if you're driving a van, it's a vroom, 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 vroom. It's like an F. If I show you on here, look, the F is a, but you're using your voice. So, imagine your telephone. It's difficult, isn't it? But that's the V. Same shape of your mouth, but F, only air. Let's keep the same shape, and I'm going to do the V. You start humming. Okay, enough. Right, okay, now next one is difficult one, O-O, because there's two sounds. It can be feeling like a cuckoo. Cuckoo, that's it. And the two different ones, like book is look, or zoo, or zoom, or a cow says moo. But those are spelled O-O. So are the two sounds there. Okay, next one. A-U. It's the difficult. This is the same sound as, almost the same sound as or, door, daughter. Difficult words. Daughter, fought, caught a ball. I caught the ball. Is using an AU. Or. It's difficult. I know. It doesn't make sense. I know. I'm sorry. Just try to remember. Okay, next one. Okay, almost finished. Y. And that's a y, like yes. And the way to remember, yogurt. Yeah. Okay. Then we've got an X. And that is your X-ray machine, your X-ray gun. Fox. X-ray machine. Okay. CH, when the C and the H is together, it's usually a ch sound. Think of a train. Chair. Chiba City. Cheese. I like ch. Okay, SH is sh. When S and H together, shh. That's my name, Mr. Sherriff. Shh. Okay. And now I've written these ones down twice because there's two different sounds for TH. There's two sounds, just like with F and V. Like there's a there's a TH and TH. One is air and one is humming. So and they are the same shape with your mouth, but one is air, one is you're making a noise. If you look, I'm actually biting my tongue very gently. It's touching everything, and I'm blowing. So if you think, thank you. It's not thank you. No. It's thank you. And if you can do it well, your English will sound great. Practice that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The other the same shape, but with a sound. That's right. That's right. That's good. This book, this computer, this hat, or the book, the lesson, the. Right? Whew, difficult, isn't it? So anyway, just to recap. Okay, there's the two of the TH. Almost finished, almost finished. I know we've been going a long time. How long have we been going? I don't know. Let's do the last line, and then you can take a break. Okay, QU. Always is a U with a Q, almost always. I can only think of a few words like Iraq that doesn't have a U, but usually with a U. So QU is a, is it? I think so, like queen, qua. That's the same as but anyway, queen. Oh, it's a duck. That's it. Sorry, I forgot. Quack, 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 quack. That's right. Quack, quack. That's the sound of a duck. Queen. Okay. OU is ow, 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 ow. Like ouch, ouch. Okay. Next one. OI. 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 You stop. Oi. Like boil, foil. Oi, oi, oil, oi, oil is an oi sound. Oi. Okay. Next one, UE is a U, and U. I think of a word like blue is UE, blue. There are a few, but anyway, U. Okay, next one, I've forgotten what the word is. I think it's a machine going. The ER is used a lot, isn't it? Firefighter, teacher, is ER. And the last one, AR is R. I think in America it's like a R. In England it's more like a ah. Open up and say ah when you see the doctor. Ah. So name Arthur is R. Your heart is here. R. Whew. Okay, that's the 42 sounds. I advise you to practice them when you see them. You can use this video, watch it again if you're not sure which ones is which sound. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. I'll do another video next to practice some of these. Oh, before I go, how about let's do a few. How about let's see. Let's try this one here. So. Okay, how about this one here? E or, remember E. Okay, how about an F? Okay, and its cousin V. How about SH? Shh. TH. QU. Quack, 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 quack. There's a dog over there. Quack, 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 quack. I think that's enough for right now. I bet you're tired. Watch this again if you want to practice. And I'll make a new one for you to do next. Thank you very much. Good luck. Keep practicing. Okay, thank you.